Welcome to STEM with the Houston Public Library. I'm Lauren, and today we are making a magnetic adventure bottle. This interactive toy can be made for children ages 1 through 5. This project requires the following supplies: a clear plastic bottle, 6 pipe cleaners, scissors, a popsicle stick or craft stick, a magnet, and Scotch tape or glue. To prepare the bottle, cut the pipe cleaners into 1-inch pieces. Then fold the pieces in half. Next, put all the pipe cleaner pieces in the plastic bottle and close the lid. Now to make the magnetic wand. Use the Scotch tape to tape the magnet onto the end of the popsicle stick or craft stick. You may also glue it on. Make sure the magnetic side faces outward. Now it is time for your little one to play. Have them hold the wand with the magnet side against the bottle and see if they can make the pipe cleaners move. The pipe cleaners should magically jump towards the wand, and if they pull the wand up, the pipe cleaners will follow. However, this isn't magic, it's science. The pipe cleaners are attracted to the magnet on the end of the wand because of magnetism. Magnetism is a force that can pull or push away objects that have a magnetic material, like iron, inside of them. The metal wire in the middle of the pipe cleaners is magnetic, so it is pulled closer to the magnet when you hold them close together. This force allows you to make the pipe cleaners move within the bottle with your magnetic wand. Have your little one take their wand with them throughout the day. Can they find other magnetic objects? What do the objects have in common? Happy experimenting! Thanks for joining STEM activities at the Houston Public Library. Make sure to share photos of your project online and tag us using #ILoveHPL. See you next time!